Welcome to the basic tutorial of Munevo Drive. Here you will learn how to start the glasses, what basic gestures there are, how to lock the glasses, and put them into standby. By pressing the on-off switch on the back of the temple, the glasses are switched on. If necessary, your assistant will take care of this for you. The glasses are on when a small white dot is lit. While starting, first the glass logo and then the Munevo logo appear in the display. With Munevo Drive, two basic gestures can be distinguished. On the one hand, the nod up and down and to the right and left. On the other hand, the tilting of the head to the left or right. Nodding is always used for menu navigation. In principle, nodding is comparable to saying yes and no. Menu items can be selected in this way. By swiping sideways, you go to the next menu item. It is important that you always return to the starting position. You use tilting to drive. Raising the head allows you to move forward. Do you want to stop the wheelchair? Simply lower your head towards your chest. These two settings can also be reversed as needed. If you tilt your head to the left or right, the wheelchair will make a turn. If you do not want a head movement to move the wheelchair, for example during a conversation or while eating, you can lock the glasses. Do the glasses show the main menu or one of the sub-menus? Tilt your head to the right for 2 seconds. Now a lock will be displayed, which will fill up and then close. To unlock, simply keep your head back to the left until the lock is open. Finally, activate the standby function. If the last item of the main menu is selected by nodding down, the glasses are put into standby mode and are practically switched off. Do you want to start the glasses again? Tilt your head up by about 20 degrees until the main menu appears on the display again.